Protein is macronutrients that is essential to building muscle mass, a molecule made up of amino acids. Proteins are needed for the body to function properly. They are the basis of body structures, such as skin and hair, and of other substances such as enzymes, cytokinase, and antibodies. They serve a wide range of functions including organization, transportation, and defense. It's commonly found in animal products, though it also present in other sources, such as nuts and legumes.
Oh nice. The word protein comes from the Greek, which is pronounced as protos, which reflects protein's top shelf status in human nutrition. We need protein in our diet to help your body repair cells and makes new ones. Protein is also important for growth and development in children, teens, and pregnant women. According to Dietary Reference Index report for macronutrients, a sedentary adult should consume 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. That means that average sedentary man should eat about 56 grams of proteins per day and average woman should eat about 46 grams.
Let's talk about structure of protein. So the proteins have a primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Okay, let's talk about primary structure. Primary structure is a linear sequence of amino acids present in a protein. This linear sequence of amino acids is either written in a 3-letter or a 1-letter form. Now, amino acids are attached with each other by a peptide bond.
Secondary protein structure is hydrogen bonding of the peptide backbone causes the amino acids to fall into a repeating pattern. Tertiary protein structure is 3-dimensional folding patterns of a protein due to side chain interactions.
Quaternary structure is having tertiary structure, can further interact with other tertiary structure to either form dimers, trimers, tetramers, and so on. This structure form is called quaternary structure. Most of the protein in the cell have the quaternary structure.
Proteins are made up of amino acids. The human body uses about 20 different amino acids to build proteins. Our body can make some amino acids itself, but we need to get 9 of them, which are known as essential amino acids. And where we can get them is from our diet. Generally, animal proteins are known as complete proteins, meaning they contain all non-essential amino acids like I have mentioned just now. Rich sources of animal proteins include eggs, fish and seafood, lean meat, poultry, wild game animals such as deer, rabbit, birds, and squirrel, and the last one is dairy products such as milk, yogurt, and cheese. Animal protein sources also supply other important nutrients, including vitamin B12 and a type of iron called heme iron. However, keep in mind that some animal proteins are less nutritious than others. For instance, ultra-processed animal products such as hot dogs and chicken nuggets are high in unhealthy fats and sodium and are ideal for overall health. So instead of that kind of food, we can choose nutritious sources of animal-based protein like whole eggs, salmon, chicken, and shellfish.
Source of protein is not only can get from the animal, but plant also provide the protein that our body needs. Plant protein are highly nutritious and they also provide other nutrition such as mineral, fiber, and vitamin. Plant protein are mostly is globulins. Plant-based diet can simply get as is around of the food that derive from the plant. Example of the plant-based diet which is fruit, vegetable, root grains, seeds, and nuts.
Hello, my name is Vishani Anapampan Goparaj and my metric number is CW220050 and I'm going to explain about the importance of protein within cell for proper function of living system. The first important is that it provides structure. Structural proteins are a type of protein responsible for cell shape and providing support to major structures such as hair, skin, and bones. Many structural proteins exist in human bodies. Two of the most common are collagen and keratin.
Hi everyone, my name is Tachani Balichandran with metric number CW220052. Another function of protein in the human body is to transport other materials around. For instance, hemoglobin is a protein that is present in red blood cell. It is a transport protein that carries oxygen from the lungs to tissues. When a person breathes, oxygen molecules from the air move into the bloodstream. In the bloodstream, oxygen molecules bind to the hemoglobin, which then transport it to other tissues in the body. This is known as the respiration process.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Shahani binti Baharuddin. My metric number is CW220048. Protein also plays an important role in the immune system. It is a vast network containing many types of cell, organs, tissue, and proteins. Besides, it protects against foreign invaders such as bacteria and virus. Additionally, protein also provide energy. As example is carbohydrate and fats. The body may start breaking down proteins to produce energy if there is an insufficient supply of fats or carbohydrates, especially for the person who is on diet.